Hi, my name is Yuel Malkamu. I'm ASTO Head of Education Intern here at A2SV, and I'm going to tell you about weekly contests here at A2SV. Our weekly contests here happen every Saturday morning, and the students are going to be given 2 hours to solve from 5 to 6 algorithmic problems. These problems are similar to those that I will have on technical interviews, and these contests are essential for helping the students improve their problem-solving skills and also their speed and also their ability to work under pressure. After the contests are over, we have contest analysis sessions where we show the students how we approach the problem. We walk them through each and every problem in the contest, and we show them better ways to solve the problem for those who solved it, and for those who didn't, we show them how they could approach it. It's important to note that these contests are not exams, they're just learning tools. They just help the students create a competitive but still supportive environment in which they can encourage each other to grow. Overall, these weekly contests are part of how A2SV prepares their students for technical interviews. Next time, we'll talk about pair programming.